After nearly a century of driving the alignment industry, BeeLine continues to be an innovator in the way alignments are performed around the world. BeeLine's philosophy is simple. We are dedicated to providing your business with the best equipment, with the most capabilities, the easiest workflow, the most proven methods, and backing it with the best customer support in the industry. We invite you to take a few minutes and let us introduce you to the benefits of our complete heavy-duty wheel alignment system and how it differentiates us from anyone else in our market. Advanced Aligner Runway Systems. The first element that characterizes a complete alignment shop are multifunctional workhorses we call Advanced Aligner Runway Systems. When we refer to a complete alignment shop, we refer to a shop with the ability to gauge and correct all critical wheel alignment angles. From toe and rear tracking, the first and second leading cause of steer tire wear, to camber, the third leading cause, BeeLine equipment is designed to accurately correct all alignment problems related to tire wear. In fact, the exclusive ability to correct camber as well as caster is a critical reason why serious professionals choose BeeLine's complete alignment system. Our advanced aligner runway systems are designed to make the complete alignment gauging and correction process much easier by placing the vehicle at a convenient working elevation of 24 or 30 inches. They accommodate vehicles up to 16 tons per vehicle axle and are completely customizable to create a comfortable work environment in any shop layout, including pit models and above-ground units. Each runway system features our proven kingpin turning aligners that, when rotated or turned, create the same natural turning radius and arc that was originally designed into the vehicle's front end. This feature allows for accurate measurements of Ackerman angle and steering stops, along with caster swing. Large seal bearings produce an ease of movement that ensures this high degree of accuracy. BeeLine kingpin turning aligners are virtually maintenance-free and can withstand the stress and abuse from the largest over-the-road vehicles. For shorter service bays, the Advanced Aligner Runway System can also be ordered with space-saver ramps. The design of the space-saver ramps places the vehicle at a convenient work height, allowing a major portion of the ramp to be raised hydraulically to an operating level equal to the height of the Advanced Aligner runway. Each runway section is engineered to assure the highest possible amount of safety and flexibility through a wide range of vehicles. Runway tops can be removed for easier accessibility to the vehicle. The entire section behind both turning aligners can be completely removed for convenience while making camber and caster corrections. BeeLine Advanced Aligner runways are rugged, easy to maintain, customizable to any shop, and built to last. They provide the foundation for a shop that performs complete heavy-duty truck alignments. LC7000 Series Computer Alignment. The intelligence behind every heavy-duty truck alignment is the BeeLine LC7000 Series laser-guided computer alignment gauging system. The LC7000 is the benchmark for the heavy-duty truck alignment industry. Every aspect of this system has been designed to make alignments easier, faster, and more accurate than ever. The LC7000 produces laser-accurate measurements up to 1/1000th of an inch that are consistently repeatable. When making corrections, the technician watches live readings that serve as the guide to bring the vehicle into specs that are more precise than the manufacturer's specs. Our Windows-based WinSpeed 7000 alignment software guides a technician through the alignment process with a user-friendly and easy-to-learn interface. The LC7000 is unique to the industry because it gives the technician the ability to continually maintain the precision of all BeeLine alignment equipment. The entire system can be calibrated in a few minutes right in your shop. Our WinSpeed 7000 alignment software will remind technicians to calibrate on regular intervals that are based on your workload. With BeeLine, There is no downtime and no additional bills from service reps to maintain the accuracy of your alignment system. LC7000 series alignment heads feature color LCD screens that give the technician the option to perform alignments right at the wheel. Each screen in the WinSpeed 7000 software is displayed on the head and prompts the technician through an alignment just as if he were looking at the monitor. This advantage dramatically reduces the time to gauge the alignment of a vehicle. For additional speed and convenience, the heads also contain lasers that automatically seek out their target area on the opposite head. The LC7000 series cabinet charges the rugged alignment heads in a vertical position that reduces the chance for damage and saves shop space. The alignment computer features a 19-inch flat-screen monitor and a color printer for before and after alignment results. Right-clicking to see your options is a helpful step in becoming familiar with our user-friendly WinSpeed 7000 software. The first and most important option is our Help section, which is displayed with the keyboard shortcut F1 in parentheses. When you click on Help or press F1, a corresponding help screen appears and explains the function of every component for the current screen with user-friendly explanations. In addition, several help videos appear in the Help section that guide the user through the specific procedure. The Help section in our WinSpeed 7000 software affirms your technicians are accurately and efficiently performing alignments. The LC7000 represents the latest in BeeLine's computer alignment technology and ensures the quality of your alignment by remaining efficient, accurate, durable, and easy to use. 22,000 rear axle aligner. Rear axle tracking is the second leading cause of premature tire wear, and we take that fact very seriously. The 22,000 represents the latest model of our rear axle aligning equipment that improves upon our proven method for aligning rear axles. This exclusive method is based on the philosophy of aligning tandem and trailer axles to the vehicle's center line, which runs parallel through the center of the vehicle chassis. Some alignment systems on the market align front and rear wheels to each other. Centerline alignment ensures the vehicle operates in the safest condition with the least resistance for maximum tire mileage and fuel efficiency. Plus, our BeeLine 22,000 tandem aligner is much more efficient to operate than alignment systems that require rear axles to be hydraulically raised to perform runout. With the tractor or trailer in place, a single technician can set up the system and take all of the necessary tracking readings in a few minutes. If adjustments are necessary, they can be made with our tandem aligner in place on the vehicle, using it as a guide for the adjustment. Our proven self-centering wheel cradles assure the correct position of the laser when seated on the cradles by finding the center line of the axle. Wheel cradles eliminate the need for the 22,000 to calculate wheel runout. This saves valuable time during the gauging process, plus it allows the technician to gauge the suspension alignment in its operational position. Self-centering targets calculate the exact center line of the vehicle. When the long laser tube is placed on the cradles, a calibrated laser is shot through the slot of the rear target and hits the front target. If the laser hits the front target directly in the middle, the axle is in alignment. If the laser is not on center, the electronic target instantly measures the amount of error and illustrates to the technician the amount of correction needed at the axle in our WinSpeed software. The technician can move the wheel cradles and repeat the same process to align the front drive axle, or our time-saving tram gauge can be used. Tramming the axle quickly calculates the amount of error by measuring the distance between the axles on one side of the truck and comparing it to the measurement on the other side. This distance is input into WinSpeed and is automatically converted into the amount of adjustment required to align the second axle. The 22,000 rear axle aligner is used to align trailer axles using the same proven technique. On trailers, a target can be mounted directly to the kingpin with our kingpin extension assembly that accurately represents the center line of the vehicle. On tractors or trailers, the 22000 is the latest generation of rear axle aligners from BeeLine that continue to be the time-tested industry benchmark for centerline rear axle alignment. Taking front-end measurements. With the rear axle successfully aligned, front-end measurements are ready to be taken. Wireless alignment heads are mounted to the wheels by using our LC 4195B.1 wheel mount. After the technician enters the parameters, including the make, model, and year of the truck, wind speed advances to the runout calculation screens. Runout is calculated in seconds and is very simple. A measurement is taken at 4 positions in the wheel's revolution. The LCD on the alignment head illustrates to the technician the first runout position to be measured, and then alerts the technician to rotate the wheel a quarter turn to the next position. At any time, the runout measurement screen on the LCD or the computer monitor indicates which positions have been taken on both wheels. Based on the vehicle's parameters, wind speed displays the exact steering position needed to split the toe. The technician easily follows the live steering prompts displayed on the monitor or by watching the LCD screens on the alignment heads. When the toe is split, camber is automatically measured. Caster measurements are based on the degree of the steering angle specified in the vehicle parameters. By following the screen prompts, the technician turns the wheels in and out to the specified degree. Caster measurements are automatically taken at each point. If specified, wind speed can also take KPI, Ackerman angle, and steering stop measurements. Making front-end adjustments. When front-end alignment measurements have been taken, wind speed indicates the necessary adjustments needed to align the front end to more precise BeeLine specifications, ensuring the best possible alignment. All adjustments can be made by watching real-time measurements on our monitor or our optional color remote display. In this case, the remote display indicates when the optimum toe setting has been reached. When making adjustments to camber, wind speed illustrates the proper setup to use with our exclusive camber and caster correction tools called the 407 Axle Tool Group. It is critical to stress that improper camber is the third leading cause of tire wear behind toe and tracking. Leading maintenance organizations suggest that an optimum camber setting will significantly reduce tire wear. Unlike automobiles, heavy-duty tractors do not have built-in adjustments for camber. This is why BeeLine created equipment to make camber corrections directly to the axle. The 407 Axle Tool Group corrects camber on 8,000-pound to 16,000-pound axles while the truck is in operating position. The ability to make camber corrections is what distinguishes a complete alignment shop. When camber is wearing tires prematurely on a tractor, it's important to you and your customers to return the vehicle to the road after all the alignment angles are within specification. BeeLine's 407 axle tooling makes it easier than ever to correct camber and caster with new lightweight aluminum rams and flexible heavy-duty axle straps. When making the correction, wind speed displays a live screen that indicates when optimum camber has been reached. When making adjustments to caster, wind speed again illustrates the proper setup required and displays a live screen that indicates when optimum caster has been reached. When all of the adjustments have been made, the truck is completely aligned and ready to return to the highway. In today's competitive market, there are many options when purchasing an alignment system. It's important to remember that the equipment you use directly affects the quality of your job. And the reputation of your alignment service is based on the performance of the vehicles you align. We know shops demand alignment systems that are easy to understand, easy to operate, rugged, accurate, and efficient. But we want you to understand what separates BeeLine as the only complete alignment system provider. When looking at ours or any alignment system, Ask yourself these critical questions. Does it align the vehicle to specifications that are tighter than the manufacturer's specifications? Does it align the vehicle to the center line of the chassis to ensure maximum tire mileage, fuel economy, and handling? Can it be routinely calibrated by your own technicians to ensure every alignment is 100% accurate, or does calibration require costly service calls? Does it gauge and, more importantly, correct all alignment angles, including camber, the third leading cause of tire wear? And finally, does it have a name brand that is synonymous with providing the trucking industry with decades of innovative solutions to keep tractors and trailers operating efficiently? We feel these important criteria set us apart as the only choice for alignment shops that are serious about providing the best service for their customers. BeeLine Complete Alignment. Demand the best.